Hey everybody, this is a very quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on an Amazon Fire TV stick. This will restore the factory default settings like it was when you came out of the box. It's real easy to do. What you want to do is you want to have whatever device you're using it on turned on so that you're going to need to use that to confirm the reset. And once you do that, you're going to come in here and you can just, on the controller, you press the back button and then the right side of the circle, you just press and hold them for 10 seconds. And once you press and hold them simultaneously for 10 seconds, on the screen of whatever device you're using it on, it will pop up with a just a little confirmation thing where you can just confirm that you want to reset it. And once you do that, it will go through its reset cycle. And then once it's gone through its reset cycle, again, this Fire Stick, everything will be erased off it and it will be returned to the way that it was when it came out of the box. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.